Hi there, I'm Drew, the creator of Yelo, and I'd like to walk you through how to use the Yelo app. First, go ahead and select I'm a student or parent. Next, you'll be asked for an 8-digit school code. This will be provided by your school. This is the home screen. There, you'll have information about your bus number and the status of your bus. To change your bus, click the black arrow at the bottom of the screen. You'll then have access to a list of buses from your school. To select a bus, simply tap on the bus number. Once you select a bus, you'll receive all the important notifications about that bus. It's simple to switch back and forth between two buses. If you'd like to log out, click the yellow logo at the top of the screen. That's it. I hope you enjoy using the Yelo app.